back to the DomCarMan YouTube channel. So we got a interesting one today. Just picked up this beauty dual 12 Skar SDR-2X12D4 2X12D4 2400 watt, 1200 each, replacing the Rockford Fosgate punches I have, 1000 watt, 500 each. So I'm more than doubling the power here. We're gonna get them opening this, show you guys what's inside. And of course my knife is downstairs. Alright. Look at it from up top. So we have the nicely packaged, at least seems to be, Skar Audio. Lots of cardboard, lots of foam. A lot of stuff in here. That's good. A lot of good packaging. This is the back side. There we go. Actually, look at this brace. Perfect. Nice cutout. Nice and firm. So these subs should be in pretty good shape here. If I can lift it. I might need you to move the box. Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it.
You're leaning on it.
Alright. Alright. Let's take a look. A little bit of... There we go. Let's open this up. Nice dust cover, big surround. I can't wait to get these in. All right.
Is it fuzzy?
Nice curved port. Yeah, it's fuzzy. Nice white stitching. The Skar Audio logo. There is only one cup on this side. It says 1200 watts at 1 ohm. Oh, nice. It did come with a sticker. Nice Skar Audio sticker to go on the back of the car. Alright, and that's the unboxing, these two 12s. I'm gonna go ahead, put them in the car, wire them up, and then stay tuned, and I will have you a demo.
Now I am.
I probably should have had this recording because it was a fight. But my trunk was about ½ an inch too small for this sub to fit in square. So I kind of had to put it in at an angle, kick it to one side, and then swing it in. And unfortunately, if you come look here, you'll see the support brace back here actually hits, it's close to hitting those, so this box is sitting back here like this. Meaning I no longer have a trunk at all, because at least with the 10s, it fit up and I had a lot of space back here. But now, with this being here, this is as far forward as it can sit, so no more trunk for me. I barely had one to begin with, but now zero whatsoever. I'm just gonna get these come from the side. We'll just take a peek in there at the subs. How do they look in there?
Far back.
All right.
That's how they're looking.
It's pretty far back, eh?
Yeah, just, you know. Yeah.
Might sound better, actually.
Oh, yeah, nothing like an echo.
I'm not gonna have an echo in the car.
It's far back.
So, just gives it more space for boom.
That car's that awesome. What does that do?
So I found out after the fact that I'm supposed to put these on in order to plug it in to make a proper connection. With the loose strands, you might not always get a perfect connection. So now I'm putting these connectors on to try and make sure everything's Gucci. Okay, so after I put these connectors on to make a good connection, I realized that they're a little too big of a gauge for the terminal cup I have. So, come here, close up on this. So I don't know if you can see the size difference between them now after I pinched this one down a little bit to make it underneath, and then pinch it together a little bit and then down to seal it back. And now it's a little smaller, so it should fit. Keyword should. Alright, try again. Can you see it? Now it's going in. Now they're in. There we go. She's all wired up. She's all wired up. Push her back into place. Give it a test fire. Alright, so I have it set up now for the old ones, which was roughly 1,000 watts. These are rated for 2400, so I should. And I have my bass knob all the way down. There have some, it's not at 0, so it should power up here. This is not for volume, this is with the bass knob all the way down. I just want to make sure it's working. I will go later and give you a full demo. Oh my god, this is gonna be loud. Alright, I don't want to piss the neighbors off. I'm gonna reorganize everything now, and I'm gonna go do a demo. Be back with you shortly.